Here's the app called WALLIFY Themes and Widgets, aesthetic phone screen themes. Experience your iPhone like never before with WALLIFY themes and widgets. Transform your phone with WALLIFY. Dive into a massive library of sleek icons, aesthetic themes, stunning wallpapers, and versatile widgets to personalize your look and home screens exactly how you want them. Isn't it about looks, it's about making your phone more useful. Without interactive widgets, you can stay informed at a glance, turn your phone into a smart display, and even care for a cute digital pad. So there you have it. Just another alternative app for widgets and themes. So here you can just double click to install it. And then you can just open it up. And just select language. I don't know how legit is this app, and that's what you have in here. So you have one time, months, so, and then there are a lot of ads. And then here is how the app looks like. You just have all of these different widgets you can install. You have themes, you can install wallpapers. I mean, I did a lot of reviews of apps like that, like widgetable theme pack, some others which probably are kind of more popular. But yeah, here you just have it like that. It's probably they have some nice deals when they just launching. So that's what you have. Then you can have gems which you can get. You can watch your videos or like daily gifts which you just claim it through their free trial with a paid subscription. And then again, there are so many ads. And then more, that's basically the idea. So you can just upgrade if you like it. So there you have it. Also live wallpapers, different topics, sports topics, festival topics, and